So now we need to add upward movement using the getPressed method, and this is different than what we used for Pong, right? So this is like two different ways of reading an input from the user. And so what are we gonna do? We're gonna come over here. Typically we would read in our inputs right about here, right? So it would be like read input, and then based on that input we are going to change objects recs, right? And then we would draw those objects at those changed rec positions. Okay. This way we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to read in the inputs in the objects update method. Okay. So how is this going to work? Well, we're going to go up here to our ship class. We're going to say def update, and then in our update method we can say, what can we say? We're going to say key is equal to pygame dot key dot get underscore pressed, right? So then key is going to be equal to the key that was pressed on the keyboard, and we're going to react accordingly. So we're going to say if key, and these are a different method of reading in the keystroke, if key pygame dot k underscore w. So if the W key was read from the keyboard, then I will say self dot rect dot y minus equals self dot speed, which would move the ship in an upward direction, right? Alright, cool. So we have our update going, and now we need to run this, right? And so we're gonna run it right here when we update our groups. So we're gonna say ship underscore group dot update, and I think we can go ahead and run that, and our ship will go upward. So I'm pressing the W key, and you can see our ship is moving upward, right? Now there's a problem with the right ship. The right ship is also moving with the left ship, and the reason why is because when we run ship group dot update, it runs the same way as ship group dot draw. It goes through every object in the ship group and it runs its update method. Okay, so it's going to pull out the left ship and run his update method, which is going to jump up here. It's going to run update on the left ship. It's going to read in that I pressed the W key, and since I did press the W key, it's going to change his Y position. It's going to decrease his Y position, moving him upward when we come down here to blit him. Right? And then right here it's going to get the right key, and it's going to run the right key's update method. So it's going to jump up here. It's going to run update on the right ship, which is going to say, okay, this is true. I pressed the W key, and so I'm going to change the right ship's Y position by decreasing it by speed. So that's why they both move upward, because both of their recs are being decremented by the W key. Okay, so we need to go ahead and fix that, and we'll do that in the next video.